Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to talk about how to choose miso paste. So let's start with what miso is. Miso is fermented soybean paste. When you go to Japanese grocery store or Asian grocery stores, you can find a lot of different types of miso, but these are all fermented soybean paste. Ingredients of miso are only three: soybeans, salt, and beneficial fungus called koji fungus. And there are three types of koji fungus: rice koji, which is rice coated with koji fungus; wheat koji, wheat coated with koji fungus; and bean koji, beans coated with koji fungus. And depending on which koji is used to make the miso, you can put miso into mainly four groups. Rice miso, which is the most popular, most common miso, made with soybeans, rice koji, and salt. Wheat miso, miso made with soybeans, wheat koji, and salt. Bean miso, miso made with soybeans, bean koji, and salt. And awase miso, which is combination of two different types of miso. I have some miso here, and if I put these miso into those four groups, these rice miso. I don't have wheat miso. This one is bean miso, and this one is awase miso, combination miso. This is a combination of rice miso and wheat miso. And you can see color of each miso is different. The difference in color comes from three things. One, whether soybeans are boiled or steamed. Boiled soybeans create this kind of medium color miso, and steamed soybeans create this kind of dark color miso. 2. Which koji is used to make the miso? Rice koji and wheat koji, they create this kind of medium color miso, and bean koji create this kind of dark color miso. And 3. How far it's fermented. So if you compare these two, these are both rice miso, but this one is slightly darker than this one. You can guess this one is fermented slightly longer than this one. How you choose miso is very similar to how you choose wine. When you choose wine, I think you think about budget, occasions, red or white or sparkling sometimes, sweet or dry, full body or light body, what kind of grape is used to make the wine. You may choose daily wine for daily meal and fancy wine for fancy meal. Or you may choose organic wine over regular wine. You may choose red wine for meat, white wine for seafood. But you don't know if you like it or not until you try it. Same thing for miso. To get one that you feel like it to start with, and if you don't like it, you buy a different type of miso next time. If you like it, you stick to it. If you don't, you buy a different type of miso. Just like you do when you choose wine. But from the color of each miso, you can get the flavor to some extent. So here I have dark colored miso, and here is the medium color miso, and here is the light color miso. Dark colored one that looks like this one is usually saltier, and lighter colored one that looks like this one is usually sweeter. So it's saltier, sweeter. So if you are a salty person, you can start with this kind of dark colored miso. If you prefer sweeter flavor, you can start with this lighter color miso. If you want to try somewhere between those two, you can choose these that looks like a peanut butter. And these three are all rice miso, medium color, medium flavored rice miso. The color is slightly different, but they all look like peanut butter, and you don't know which one to choose. Then you can check the label of the miso if it's written in English. If rice is at the top of the ingredients list, that means this miso contains more rice koji compared to the other two. And rice koji creates sweetness. So you can guess this miso is slightly sweeter than the other two. And this one also says low sodium. So if you want to eat healthy, you may want to choose this one. And this one here, it says it contains dashi soup stock already. So if you can't be bothered making dashi soup stock every time you make miso soup, this is the one for you. But after all, there is no correct answer, and there is no rule such as you have to use this miso for this dish or that miso for that dish. It's all about which one you like. So let's say you're looking for wine that goes well with meat. A lot of people buy red wine for meat, but it's not a crime if you buy white wine for meat if you really like it. Same idea. It's all about which one you like. So start with the one you feel like it and enjoy the journey finding your favorite miso. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!